What's up, Build Fam? We're doing something big today. I finally got the head back from the machine shop. I actually got that back a little while ago. What was holding me up was the head studs. Everywhere was out of stock on ARP head studs for K series. Even ARP, the manufacturer, was out of stock. Finally found a place that had them. Got those in, and we are ready to roll. I was kind of worried because I got these on Amazon. I was like, I don't know if these are right. It didn't say for a K series, but yeah, right there, K20A. Yeah, buddy. So today, I just put the valve cover on to keep the bottom inside of the head clean. I'm going to be putting the cams in, rocker assembly, bolting the turbo manifold on and the intake mani, and then bolting that to the block. Now, I don't have any of the timing components yet, like the tensioner. I wanted to upgrade to the hybrid racing tensioner. It's a bit more expensive, but that is the one that has been completely redesigned, and so they claim that it is much stronger and will lower the risk of you breaking your tensioner and destroying your very, very expensive engine build. So I got, where are they? Here they are. Just the key to lock the cams in place. So I'm just gonna set the pistons to top dead center, set the cams, bolt it down, leave those pins in until I get the chain and tensioner guides. So yeah, what do you say? Should we get into it? Alright, so I got the rocker assembly disassembled. I am going to use this everywhere. Everywhere there is a contact surface with another part, this. Even if it doesn't need it, just use it.
When you get the blues,
Come on, get a rhythm.
when you get the blues, it only comes.
I hope that doesn't get us in trouble. Sorry. It's a great song, great artist. So, I've got everything on. Now, when it comes to putting in the cam cap studs, it's not tricky, but just match it up to your valve cover. You see here I've got these studs that tighten down the valve cover. There's 2 on the back and 3 up front. So just line those up properly and you'll be good to go. Well, yeah. I just did something I shouldn't have done. I assembled the head off the block and now I can't get my head studs in. So, it's not gonna be an issue. Just pull it all off again. Put her on a block, do the same thing. I'm not gonna film it because you guys just watched it all happen, so yeah. Right, with your ARP head studs, you want to use this good old stuff on the threads there, boy. Don't get nothing on the bottom. You ain't want to get nothing on the bottom because then it could pressurize down in there and blow it all out. Blow out the side of your block and yeah, well, you don't want none of that. That is torqued down, 3-step process, 25, 50, and 80. I'm going to recheck them one more time. After that's done, we're putting everything in. There's my marking process, 3 steps, and a green line through it to confirm. Looks great. Let's get the rest of it on. Look who decides to show his face.
That thing's giant.
All right, it's all on there.
Easy.
Here's our clearance. So, Hayden, you weren't lying. You said it would fit. but if this were a millimeter bigger, it would not fit. I've got to get new studs here because I can't tighten this one down. I thought I could put Allen heads in here. Can't do it. So Cole mentioned to do what?
Do a stud. You'll have threads here and here, and then you can just do a nut on top.
Yeah,
Yeah, so a stud, not a bolt.
right.
Like, these are bolts, and then you can do whatever grade you want, and like Loctite this side in,
Mm-hmm.
and that tighten down. It should be easier to get to that way too.
We're having to do some valve cover modifications. Even though it cleared, it wouldn't, we couldn't get it up. We couldn't get it off without taking the turbo off. So I forgot to mention that I got these K-tuned billet pieces. This is an EGR delete, which is really, really cool because it puts a fill right here at the highest point of the engine. So that's gonna work out really nice. Before it stuck out like this far.
Radiator fill cap, is that what goes there?
Uh-huh.
Nice.
And yeah, this will be for overflow somewhere.
Awesome.
Or the radiator, you know, so that'll be cool. And then this was, since this is a K24 head, this was another portion of the EGR coolant lines or some nonsense. So this is a block off plate so that you can run a K20 manifold. And yeah, I think that's it. She's all done now. I gotta time it still, but